Hello, Cheltenham High School. Mr. Cook back for another edition. Let's take a look at our next one, which is Prepare for AP SAT Tests. This is also known as the Learning Express Library, and it's not just for AP and SAT tests. By clicking on the link, I log into our Learning Express hub. This hub will allow you to not only study for AP and SAT tests in this Prepare for College button. You can see ACT tests as well as PSAT, SAT, AP, and college placement tests. We also have other areas to look at in high school success, such as study skills, information literacy, and life skills. The math and science skills will give us online courses that will assist in algebra, functions, statistics and probability, even technology. English language skills help for reading and writing language skills. We also have an area for US history, world history, civics government, and AP and subject tests specific to the social studies skills. We have core computing skills. It'll work you through tutorials on computers, internet, and software. And also career explorations. For students who attend Eastern, this will also give you an ability to practice the work keys assessment as well. I want to look for an extra second at Prepare for College and looking at the AP tests. We have plenty of AP courses at Cheltenham High School, and this area will give you practice tests for just about every one of them. Biology, calculus, down to economics, all of physics, and also give you study guidance on all of these areas too. So for example, if I look at AP Calculus AB, this will give you a specific article about how to best study and a crash course for this particular test. You can notice here that this study guide will also allow you to download it when you click it, so you'll have it with you wherever you go. Back on the home page, one thing to look at is how to sign in to PrepStep or Learning Express. When we click the Sign In button, you should be able to log in with your cheltenham.org email and password. These should have already been indexed, and if even if it's the first time you're using it, this should work no problem. Once you click Login, it'll log in you, and you have specific settings. It'll also save some of your tests, tutorials, and ebooks that you've already accomplished. As you can see here, I've downloaded one article previously on detailed test study guidance for AP Calculus. This resource is a fantastic resource we have, especially to get ready for some of the tests as we get ready. Preparing for college with your ACT, SAT, or AP tests, and then even tutorial and remedial classes, and also just catching up and looking ahead for statistics and probability. Some of these courses will help you get a great head start on some of the stuff you're going to be doing next year when we get back into school. Best of luck. Cheers.